Hello.
Hello,
Hi, Karishma. Good morning. How are you?
good morning. I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm doing well. I hope you had your breakfast.
Yes, I already had.
Okay,
I had in
amazing.
the morning 9 o'clock. Yeah,
Okay, nice to see you again. How is Mitansh?
he's good. He's in school today, so we can have the session peacefully.
Okay, yes. Last time he gave us a very cute surprise visit, right?
Yes, that's why I booked the session like this time so that we can have it peacefully without any interruption. Yeah,
Okay, okay, fine. No worries then. So let's continue. Did you get a chance to go through the topic of discussion
yes,
today?
yes. It
I
was
think it's
race.
an exciting one. Yes, I think it's a very exciting one. It's risks. So, do you
Yes,
consider yourself to be a risk taker?
not really.
Mm-hmm.
Not really. I always get scared of taking risks.
Okay.
In terms of like I'll share an example with you.
Yeah.
Actually, recently I formed a partnership firm with a few partners and I started my own company,
Mm-hmm.
started my own firm, and it was also a kind of risk which I'm taking first time in my life because I had to invest money on it, and I
Okay.
have to hire a few employee. I have to give them salary, and what if the company does not work in that way? So it
Mm-hmm.
will be a huge loss for me. So this is a kind of risk I'm taking first time in my life actually. Before
Okay.
that, I never take any kind of risk. Yeah,
Okay. I never took any kind of a risk. Okay.
never took.
So,
Yeah,
yeah, the process, have you already started? Have you started recruiting people, or is it something that you're planning to do in the
already
future?
started. Already started. We have
Okay.
five or six people till now, and they're working. They're calling. Actually, they're doing marketing on behalf of us,
Okay.
and yeah, we have to proceed the work. So this is, but it's going well, starting well. Yeah.
Okay. That's amazing. So, all the best to you. Are you excited to see how it's going to unfold?
Yes, I'm very excited, and I just want to be like reach on the top level because see, I'm also doing YouTube. I think I've shared this thing with you, but
Yes.
YouTube is not like it's not like there is no certainty in this YouTube. So we
Mm-hmm.
cannot depend upon this only. I just want to make it part time. Like YouTube should be a part time activity because it's my hobby also. It's not like
Right.
but in terms of money. I just would love to talk with the people, and by the way of talking, I can communicate to a larger audience on YouTube. This is what I
Yes.
really like. So this is my part time job kind of
Mm-hmm.
thing, but my
Mm-hmm.
main priority always are in the law profession. I would like to do something good in my law. Yeah,
Yeah.
in the legal language. Yeah, legal way. Yeah.
Okay. So, since you are related to the field of law, one thing I would like to ask you, whenever we watch Bollywood movies, right, the court scenes are always so dramatic, correct? So, in real life also, is
Yes.
it really that dramatic, or is it a little mellow?
I don't think so. I don't think so. It's not like that
Mhm.
exactly because the scenario is absolutely different. Like what we seen in the movies and in the
Yeah.
reality actually. There is not much similarity to be found. Yeah.
Mm, okay, okay. And people always say truth always triumphs, right? So that is like our motto also. So do you believe that? Do you believe in that? The truth always triumphs?
Triumphs means
Triumph means wins. Triumph. Triumph. Or
triumph.
yeah, we say no Satyamev Jayate, like truth always wins. So
Okay,
yeah,
okay, okay. Truth always wins.
yeah.
To be frank, I don't find this quotation true in real life because
Okay.
I have been into criminal for a few days, for a few
Mhm.
months actually,
Okay.
and I have realized that there is no like truthness. I cannot see that. We have to support the people who are not true on their part. They're not honest.
Mm.
We advocates are going to support them actually. This is our job. This is our profession. If a criminal comes
Yeah.
to us and if he is actually a criminal, even though
Yeah.
we need to support him, this is kind of our job, and we give him so much respect. It's not like that he's a criminal. We should discriminate. No, we are giving full respect to him, and this is what I don't like, and that's why I leave this profession now.
I
I'm not
left it.
working in criminal. I
Yeah.
left it. Yeah, I left
Yeah.
it now. I'm not working in criminal
Mm-hmm.
now, so I just move on to the other part. Like IPR, it's very clean work. There is no
Okay.
dishonesty, and
Okay.
I just would like to do that only. I think criminal is not for me.
Okay. So when you
It's
see this
not
kind
my
of
cup
an
of tea.
wonderful, yeah. So now you can sleep peacefully knowing that you're not doing anything that
Yes,
contradicts your belief system, right?
yes, yes,
Okay,
yes.
that's
Otherwise,
Like,
this always in our mind that yeah, why we are supporting him? He's a criminal. He did something wrong. Why we are saving him? It always goes around my mind whenever I was like doing the things, and I was never be satisfied with that. I used to ask my senior, but why
yeah.
we are doing this? He said, just keep quiet. This is our business. If we will not do this, how we will get the money? This is
Oh
our
my God.
profession, and
Okay.
that criminal should also get justice. I don't understand the concept, and that's why I left it.
Okay. So when people told you these kind of things, when you understood that this is the common notion that goes around in your workplace, so how did you feel? Were you very infuriated, or did you feel discouraged? Did you lash out at them? Like, what happened later?
um, like I don't understand the question properly. I just want you to use the simple language because I'm a very basic person. I do not have much vocabulary in my language. So just
Okay,
use
it
the
was very
basic words.
simple. I just said that, see, when you heard people tell you these things, right? Even though he's a criminal, you have to support him, right? So when you heard it, did you feel very angry? Did you argue with them, or did you just walk away? What did you do?
I just always wanted to know the complete truth, which they never tells. This is correct. Which they
Which
never
they
tells.
never told.
Which they never told. Yeah. Okay. So I just wanted to know the whole truth, which they never told. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
They only told only that part in which they are correct actually. For
Mm-hmm.
example, if I talk about any divorce case or any 498 action cases, so they always just told the part with where they are going correct. Whatever the things they did wrong, they
Mm-hmm.
never disclose to you. So this is, really bad. However, we got to know about the facial expressions, about the way of communication that yeah, something is, he's hiding something. We get to know this thing.
Yeah. So are you good at understanding people's body language?
Yeah, I am.
You are.
I
Okay.
think I am. I'm not very sure, but I think that I am. I can understand that what he really wanted to say. Yeah,
I think it's a wonderful skill to have if you can understand what is going on in people's mind just by analyzing
exactly.
their body language. I think it's a
Yes,
wonderful skill.
yes. So
Okay.
yeah,
Yeah. You told me initially that you are not fond of taking risks, right? So this is the first big thing that you're
yeah.
doing
First
for
time.
yourself. So in the past, have you ever had any kind of a negative experience that made you feel this way, that risk taking is not for you?
No, I did not have any kind of experience. As I told you that I never been in. I never take any risk. How to say? I never took any risk in my life.
Okay.
Is this
Okay.
correct?
Yeah, this is correct. I never took since it's in the past, right? So yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So
Fine.
never.
All right.
Even though you
How?
won't believe that I have never invest my money anywhere because I have this trust issues because I work with the insurance companies and banking in my teenage. So
Yeah.
I have good knowledge about the back part that what actually going on in the name of bonus, what they actually provide. So I have this trust issue since my teenage time, and that is why I did not even invest any money anywhere, not even insurance, not even somewhere. I know it's
Mm-hmm.
not really good. We should believe on others also. And
Yeah.
yeah, we have to trust, we have to take these risks for securing our future life. This is really
Yeah.
very important, which is I'm not doing right now. But yes, now I am, I think, mature enough to take these kinds of decision, and I will surely look forward to do these kinds of thing in my life.
Yeah, that's a smart decision. And these days you have so much information available online, right? Even if
Yes,
a person is
right.
not that good with matters of finance, they can learn about it. So
Yes,
there
right.
are so many great content creators who make content related to investments, stock market, and everything. So
Yes.
yeah, okay, great.
Mhm.
And are you an adventurous person? Have you tried any adventure sports?
Not really. I'm not adventurous person. No, not at all.
Okay. So would you like to try something in the future? Paragliding, scuba diving, any activities like that?
I did paragliding. I remember now when I went to
Okay.
Goa. It was, I think, my honeymoon. it,
Okay.
it was 5 years ago, 5 or 6 years ago.
Hmm.
So yeah, I have that experience, and I was so scared about it. My husband forcefully sent me there. I was not
Okay.
agree at that time. I was not at all agree with that time, but he
I
just
did not
forced
agree.
me.
Yeah. Okay.
I did not agree. Yeah, I did not
Yeah.
agree. So I
Okay. But
have that
one.
experience, but
Hmm.
Yeah.
But once you
Continue.
had the experience and when you landed, right? How did you feel? Were you glad
It
that
was
you could do
amazing. Yes, it was very exciting. I love it. I love it. Even though I was shouting like on the whole procedure. I was start shouting, just get me down, get me down. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this. But still, like
Okay.
when I reached back, I was so happy actually. I was happy that I had that experience
Okay, okay. Don't say when I reached back, you can simply say when I landed. So that's more than
when I
enough.
landed. Yeah,
Yeah,
I
okay.
think.
Super, amazing. So would you like to try
Yeah.
it one more time if you have the
No,
opportunity? No?
no. I'm a kind of scary person. Yeah, I'm very scary. Even you won't believe that I have this fear of driving scooty or like any kind of vehicle. Even I'm sitting in cab, in a bike, and I just always scared like something is going from here and there, and it starts scaring. Like I have some phobia kind of thing with the transportation actually. I have this scooty at my home, but I
Mhm.
never tried it. My mother-in-law
Oh,
always encouraged me to do it. Why you are like not doing it? Every girl, like every teenage girls are doing this thing, and you are like capable enough to do these things, but I don't know what happened. I'm
yeah.
very kind of motivational, positive, confidence person, but in terms
Mhm.
of transportation, vehicle driving, I am very bad. I have this like fear in my mind, actually, you can say that.
Mhm.
So I have never
Mhm.
tried it. Yeah.
Okay. I think that's okay. Every person is very motivated in one aspect or in one field of their life, but in something they're
You're right.
anxious, right? So I think it's a very common thing with everyone. For you, it's something related to vehicles. For somebody else, it might
Yeah.
be something else, right? So it's okay. It's totally fine.
Vehicle, the pronunciation is vehicle.
Yeah, vehicles.
Vehicles. I always speak like vehicle.
No, 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 it's
Vehicle.
not. Yeah,
Okay.
vehicles. So it's just that we don't stress on it too much, like vehicle. We don't say it. We say it in a flow. Vehicles. So that's it.
Lightly. Vehicle.
Yeah, yeah,
Vehicle.
yeah. Okay, all
Okay.
right, great. Okay then. So yeah, thank you so much for sharing your experience about your about the paragliding thing. So I'm sure it must have been pretty exciting. I haven't tried. I don't think I've tried anything of that sort. I would love to in the future.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Megha, I want
Mhm.
to ask you one thing. The first thing is that where are you from?
I'm from Bangalore. Right now, I'm living in Bangalore. I was raised in Mysore, so it's in Karnataka.
Okay, so you born and brought up in Bangalore only, or you are from
No, no,
somewhere else,
Mysore,
like
Mysore.
Mysore? Okay,
Yeah.
so but presently you are living in Bangalore.
Yes, yes. For the last 5 years,
Okay.
I've been in Bangalore.
Okay, nice.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
are you married? No?
No, no, no. I'm not.
Not
Not yet.
not yet. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. So, have you ever visited Bangalore? Have you ever come to South India?
No, I have
Okay.
never
So,
get chance to visit there. Yeah.
okay. I have never stepped into North India. This December, I would be visiting Himachal. So everything is booked, and I am super charged, super excited.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
Himachal, yeah.
Right. So if
Okay.
you come here, there are a lot of beautiful hill stations, even in South India, a lot of beaches if you are a beach person. So
Yes, I
many
love
beautiful
beaches.
places to visit. Yeah.
Yeah, I love beaches. I just want to visit Kerala. I
Okay.
have this Kerala and Calcutta in my bucket list. Whenever will have plan, then I will
Okay.
surely choose any of these
Mhm.
destinations.
Great. Good choices. Kerala, it's called, I think it's called God's own country. I think that's what it's called because
Okay.
it is so scenic, so beautiful, surrounded by
Yes,
nature, right? The
nature.
beaches,
Yes,
the backwaters, everything is
yes.
stunning there. Yeah.
This is in my priority list now.
Mhm.
Let's see when I will get chance to visit it because I have a small baby and with him it's very difficult to,
Mhm.
manage everything. So I just
Right.
want him to at least like 5 or 6 years of age so that he can also enjoy with us.
Yes, and he can also remember. Right now, whatever
Remember.
experience they have, they might not remember it that
Yes,
clearly when they grow up. But I think when once they get older, they'll have all the good memories of traveling with you. So that would be beautiful.
yes,
Yeah.
you are
Okay.
right. Very right.
Amazing, Karishma. Great. So, do you have any questions for me? You spoke really well, very confident, very charismatic. So, great job. It's just the past tenses. That's something I feel like you can, improve. Um, past
Past
tenses.
tense.
Right, right. That's the only area which you can fine tune a little bit. It's not like you don't know, you know it. The present tense, past tense, future, everything. It's just when you're speaking, be a little, pay attention to the words.
Mindful.
Okay,
Yeah.
mindful of it, right? Pay attention to what you're saying, especially when you're narrating a past incident. Apart from that, I think you're pretty sorted when it comes to English. There are no major problem areas as such. So keep improving, and
But there
yeah.
is one problem with my vocabulary. Actually, I have a very less knowledge about the words. This is the problem I'm facing a lot because in my profession, I need to be perfect with the vocabulary because I need to know more words, more unique words. We cannot repeat the same words again and again for communicating. And if you are, communicating in front of judge or something, so we always have this, good words of vocabulary. This is the problem. Can you suggest me something for improving my vocabulary?
Yes, this is one thing that I wanted to tell you. I don't know why it slipped from my mind. So yeah, vocabulary is also something. So today, what happened when we were talking, when I used like one or two different words, you told like, can you use simple words, right? Don't do that. If there is any word that you don't understand, don't tell that person to use simple words. Ask them the meaning of that complicated word.
Meaning of it. You're
Okay.
absolutely right.
This is the
Yes.
first thing, all right? Don't be nervous about it. There is no syllabus for vocabulary, right? There are so many different words, correct? So just take it little by little. Every day, try to learn at least 3 to 4 new words, okay? Understand the meaning. See some ready-made sentences on Google, how to use that word, and make your own sentences, okay? So this is the
Okay.
procedure that you can follow. I'll give you one
Gen
website. It's bbc.com. All right, just go on Google
BBC
and type,
person.
yeah,
Oh,
bbc.com. So if you go on this particular website, right, the home page, the first page, there'll be a lot of headlines. Okay. If you click on it,
okay.
there'll be an entire article on that. But I don't want you to click on the article because I think you're a busy person. I don't think we'll have time to read all the articles. Okay. There'll be around 20 to 30 headlines on the home page. All you have to do
Oh,
is read the headlines, 5 to 6 sentences maximum. Okay, so within that only, trust me, every day you will be learning so many different words which are relevant, because this is about current
okay.
affairs, right? This is news. So
Current.
the words are very relevant. It's not some redundant, over hyped word that nobody is going to use. No. Relevant words,
Oh,
advanced level vocabulary, and maybe like 4 or 5 words a day. And I think that would help you a lot. Okay.
it's a great idea. I have never heard this idea before, but it's really great. We can spend 10 to 20 minutes on reading that article. There is no such issues.
Yeah.
Because if we really want to improve something, we have to invest our time also. It's not like that automatically some magic will happen and we will learn all the vocabulary. Obviously, we're not learning in that way. We have to
True that.
give some time. Yeah.
Yes, and
Yeah,
I
one
don't
more thing.